I cry, oh Lord, me rock. Don't be silent, don't turn and block. If you hold back, I go down low, like to the pit where shadows grow. Hear me voice when me pleading prior toward your temple. Me hands up there, don't drag me down with wicked men, workers of mischief again and again. They speak of peace, but evil inside. Reward them works, their schemes collide. Give them according to what they done. Cast them down, let justice run. Hear me cry, oh Holy One. Answer my voice when day is done. You are my strength, my shield, my song. In you me heart rejoice lifelong. Hear me cry, oh Holy One. Answer my voice when day is done. You are my strength, my shield, my song. In you me heart rejoice lifelong. Blessed be the Lord, He hear me plea, me strength, me shield, me victory. Help of His people, fortress strong. Save your anointed, keep them long. Oh, save your people, lift them high. Shepherd forever, stand nearby. Carry forever, guide them way. Most High, bless us night and day. Hear me cry, oh Holy One. Answer my voice when day is done. You are my strength, my shield, my song. In you my heart rejoice lifelong. Hear me cry, oh Holy One. Answer my voice when day is done. You are my strength,